Driving around Ontario, chances are you've come across a large livestock trailer. Maybe you've wondered what kind of animals are in there, or where are they going? If you're like me, you might be wondering about the welfare of the animals on board. My research focuses specifically on weaned piglet welfare during transport. In North America, weaned piglets and market hogs are two age groups commonly transported by road, but they are quite different from each other. Compared to market hogs, weaned piglets have less mature immune systems, they're more sensitive to cold stress, and they have less nutritional reserves stored up prior to transport. Despite these differences, Canadian regulations for swine transportation are the same for all ages of pigs and have been heavily informed by data generated from studies using market hogs. This is where my thesis research comes in. My project aims to assess the effects of transport duration on weaned piglet welfare to help ensure that data exists to inform regulations for this young population specifically. To do this, we've collected physiological and behavioral data from a subset of over 11,000 piglets who underwent either short or long summertime transport trips, as well as data on the environmental conditions inside and out of the commercial trailers that they were transported in. Using these three data types and interpreting them together is important to understand if significant stress is occurring and if changes like dehydration are occurring to biologically significant levels. The timing of the data collection was also important. We were able to collect data before, during, and after transport, as well as about 3 days after transport in order to identify immediate and short-term effects of transport duration. So far, we have observed some differences. Piglets transported for less than 3 hours showed increased blood indicators of stress and injury after transport compared to those transported for greater than 30 hours. And piglets transported for the long duration showed some evidence of dehydration. I'm currently working on examining the piglets' behavior during transport using photographs taken while the trailer was driving to assess if there are differences in behaviors indicating resting, like lying down, or stress, like sitting. Our results so far have been positive for piglet welfare, as they suggest that neither short or long durations are especially physiologically compromising for piglets. They have also identified specific areas within each transport duration for further investigation, such as climate control on board and the provision of water during transport. So, the next time you pass a livestock trailer on the road, I hope you'll wonder if those animals are involved in research, and also remember that projects like mine are being conducted to help ensure that the welfare of young piglets is optimized throughout their entire lives, including during transport. Thank you.